Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to use TODOIST for client onboarding checklists. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First, log into your TODOIST account and create a new project. Name it something like Client Onboarding. This is your central hub for all tasks related to onboarding new clients. The reason we do this is to keep everything organized and in one place. Now that we've done that, click on the Add Task button to start adding tasks. For instance, you might add tasks like send welcome email, set up introductory call, etc. This helps us because it breaks down the onboarding process into manageable tasks, ensuring we don't miss any crucial steps. Next up, assign each task to a team member by clicking on the Assign To button. This ensures that everyone knows their responsibilities and deadlines. The reason we do this is to promote accountability and efficiency. Now let's add due dates to each task. Click on the Schedule button and select the due date for each task. This helps us because it creates a clear timeline for the onboarding process, keeping everyone on track. Once you have your tasks set up, you can use the Label feature to categorize tasks. For instance, you might label tasks as admin, sales, or support. This is beneficial because it provides a quick overview of the type of tasks in your project. And there you have it. You've just set up a client onboarding checklist in TODOIST. This will help streamline your process, keep everyone on the same page, and ensure you're providing the best service to your new clients. That's it for today's guide. Keep exploring, and as always, stay organized.